Welcome to Chicken Dairies for July 21st, 2025. Just walking the ladies home. They've had a good day outside. Couple of downpours. I'm sure they stayed well in the shelter. Second video for today. First one was to film this one, Red Baroness, hopping onto the fence to try to get to the front yard. You ladies behaving? Good girls. Alright, let's go. Come on. Come on, follow me. Wish they walk ahead of me so I don't have to look backwards. Whoa, Bird City. Good girls, good girls. In you go, come on. In you go, 1, 2, 3. In you go, who's in first? It's going to be Memphis Belle. And the other two not doing anything. Come on. Good girls. Good girls, good girls. Hang on, patience. You're getting a little antsy. Let me get you first. Hey, you're going to jump up in a sec, aren't you? Hang on. Alright. There you go. Hi, Kev. And second lot. There we go. Got some bread for you. Everything. Everything chickens need. Alright. Good girls. Alright, girls, you tuck into that. I'll go see if you laid any eggs today. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time. Bye for now.